everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can create an attractive Fiverr gig thumbnail. Now, if I'm searching for graphic design, here I can see many gigs which are ranking in the first page. Now, some don't have that attractive thumbnail and people might not click on them, even if you're ranking on the first page. So what you need to do is you need to create a really attractive thumbnail for yourself. So for example, if I'm seeing this thumbnail, it looks really attractive to me and it looks unique from all the other kinds of thumbnails that are showcased on the first page. So let's dive deep into Canva now, how you can create your own thumbnail with Canva. So firstly, you need to see that it is of the size 1280 by 769 pixels, because that is the standard size for Fiverr thumbnails. So here what I have done is I've selected like a gradient kind of a background, which is super easy to find. So for example, if you're going in elements and you're searching for gradient, and then you go to photos and you can see like gradient thumbnails, you can see beautiful thumbnails here. You can remove this aspect and you can just play around with these beautiful in-depth thumbnails which are here. So I am gonna go with this one because I really like the red and blue color. So if you are offering, for example, video editing services, video editor, what you do is I prefer you select this kind of a font which is League Gothic, because it showcases the thing in a very compact manner. So I'll place video editor over here. I'll also copy the text. So you can right click, copy and paste, or you can use Ctrl V, Ctrl C. Here what you're gonna do is video editor, and then you can write within 24 hours, and you can write video editing within 24 hours. So what this, even if you're not providing a 24-hour turnover time, it will be fine, but this will show that you are super fast with your work and like you reply fast. So whatever Fiverr gigs that you're posting, make sure that whatever inquiries you're getting, you reply within 15-20 minutes, because sometimes what happens is the buyer is in that buying intent, and then he wants like a quick reply. So whoever replies quick is the one who gets the job sometimes, even if they're not skilled enough, because people want that fast delivery factor in them. So that is very important. So here you can see like the background is red in color, so I will play with the text around red and a very contrast color, which is the white color. Now this is done. Now I have to showcase my photo here. So basically I'll take this photo over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this and I'm going to remove the background of the photo. So once the background will be removed, it usually doesn't take this much time, but I don't know what's wrong with my internet. So yeah, now I have removed the photo, like remove the background of the photo. Here you can go again into edit image and then go to filters, and I'll make it black and white. So this makes the whole image look super professional. Now what else you can do is, now the tools that you are proficient in. So here you saw that he has mentioned Photoshop and Illustrator. So now you can do the same thing here, but in a different way. So for example, if I want like a Photoshop PNG image, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take like a Photoshop image here. Da, 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 da. So basically I'm going to copy this image from here and then paste it over here, Control V, and here you can see I've got like a amazing Photoshop icon over here. So I'll add it over here and then edit image, and then just go over there and add a shadow which will pop it up a little bit more. Then you can add an illustrator. Oh, why am I adding Photoshop? Actually, no, sorry. I shouldn't have added Photoshop. I should add all the video editing tools. But you get my point, right? So I'll go with Illustrator. So for example, if this is the image, I'll copy it again and then I'll paste it again over here. Now you can see that the image has been pasted, and then I'll, so even if it's graphic design, I'll do graphic design over here and then minimize it a little bit and then put this over here, place it in the same. See, in design it's very important that things are very appealing to the eye, and you can see that this image is super appealing to the eye, and I highly recommend you taking like Canva Pro. If you are a student, I think they have a free option as well, but if not, then I have like a 30-day free plan for you, in which you get the Canva Pro. The link is in the description box, so you can go and check that out. So Canva, I have been using Canva since 4 years now, and I've been using the Pro version. It has been super helpful, and I've generated like lakhs and lakhs of rupees with just this one tool. So it is super amazing, and you can use it too. So you can see now the vibe of this kind of thumbnail is so different than any other thumbnail. So if this thumbnail is there, I'll instantly click on it, rather than if this kind of thumbnail or this kind of thumbnail is there on the screen and on the first page. So I hope you found this video super helpful, and let me know if you are designing a Fiverr gig. Mention it in the comments below and I'll check out and review it for you. Or you can even follow me on @digitalarwa on Instagram and shoot me a DM if you have any kind of queries, or if you want me to make any kind of video for you. So till then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.